Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by SHEIN. I'm going to be doing a SHEIN try on haul for you guys with some of SHEIN's trendiest new bits. These outfits are so cute and I can't wait to show you guys. They are perfect to wear in the spring and summertime, which is coming up, so they're really nice. And I'm also going to be linking all of the outfit links in the description down below, so if you want to find out any of the outfits that I'm wearing, then please do check it out in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see some of the SHEIN trendy outfits, then please keep watching. So this outfit is super cute. It's just a co-ord and I really love the beige colour. It's one of my favourite colours. Just a set with some flares. At the back it has some detailing, as you can see, and it also has the same detailing around the front. And I just thought it was a really cute outfit for like the summer, and it's getting a bit warmer now. It's like a bandeau top, so you're not going to be too hot when you're wearing it. So I absolutely love this co-ord so much. I feel like this is more of a lounge set, as it has these sweatpants shorts and just a bandeau top. You probably could wear it out in the summer. I personally would just wear it as loungewear. Thought it was really cute. Absolutely love this pink top. This is definitely my favourite style long sleeve t-shirt. I love the neck, it's a perfect shape neck, and I love how it fits around my stomach, and the arms are a really great fit as well. I'm really obsessed with the colour pink at the moment, so absolutely love this, and I could literally wear it with these sweat shorts as well. You can get these in many colours, so there will definitely be a colour for everybody. So I'm absolutely obsessed with floral and flower prints at the moment, so I had to get this top. Just look how beautiful it is, guys. Look how cute the detailing is. It is like a basque corset top, and it has some really cute bows on the arms. So this co-ord is absolutely beautiful. Just sort of a long skirt and a top, and I feel like this would be really nice to wear on like a holiday. As you can see, the skirt is quite long and it has like a little cut at the bottom, and I just thought it was so cute. Now this is quite similar to another co-ord I showed at the start, which was more of a cream colour, but the only difference with this one is it is like a sage green colour, which is literally my favourite colour at the moment. It's so nice. And then it has this little tie here, and I really like it. I just thought it was very different. I think it's perfect to wear in the summer. So I also just got this pink vest. It's really cute. Love this lace detailing here. It's so cute, and it's a really stretchy material, so it's super comfortable. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me try on some of SHEIN's trendy outfits. Make sure to check out the description down below. That will have all of the outfit links from today's video, and make sure to go check out the SHEIN website for some of the trendiest outfits. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!